Didukung vaksinasi, pembukaan sektor ekonomi, dan stimulus kebijakan. Inflasi rendah pada 2021 dan terkendali pada sasaran 3+-1% pada 2022.
COVID-19 task force spokesperson stated that the government is considering rolling out booster vaccinations amid concerns over the Omicron variant. But in the same time, the spokesperson emphasized that vaccination is not the only solution to prevent contracting the new variant. The government is considering rolling out booster vaccinations amid concerns over the Omicron variant of the coronavirus. COVID-19 task force spokesperson and expert team chief Wicky Adrian stated. However, he informed that the present focus is on getting people to complete the first and second dose of vaccination.
Upaya 3T sehingga kasus dapat ditangani secara dini dan vaksinasi untuk menurunkan peluang kasus baru dan keparahan gejala. Terkait hasil pembentukan kekebalan antibodi akibat vaksinasi maupun infeksi alamiah akan segera diumumkan antara minggu ketiga atau keempat di bulan Desember. Hasil ini juga yang akan menjadi salah satu penentu urgensi perluasan sasaran target vaksin booster. Protokol kesehatan ketat juga harus terus dilakukan. Terlebih kita akan segera memasuki periode Natal dan Tahun Baru, di mana aktivitas masyarakat berpotensi meningkat yang juga meningkatkan potensi penularan.
Moreover, vaccination is not the only solution to prevent contracting the new variant in Indonesia, Adisasmito emphasized. The central government is continuously monitoring vaccination achievement in every region. The government wants to ensure that the capability of each region can be bolstered so it can achieve the vaccination target as quickly as possible. IDX Channel reports. A total of 41 natural gas sales and purchase agreements were signed at the Second International Convention on Indonesian Upstream Oil and Gas 2021, or IOG 2021. The agreement includes 12 sale and purchase agreements with a total supply commitment of 189 billion British thermal units per day, or 620,000 metric tons of LPG per year, 1 heads of agreement, 2 memorandums of understanding, and 26 agreements as the implementation of natural gas price adjustments with a volume of 926 BBTUD. Contract duration ranges from 2 to 14 years. The signing of these gas contracts thus not only generate income, but most importantly, to support national economic growth.
Signing of 41 gas commercial agreements. Oil and gas industry expected to stay and remain a core pillar of Indonesian economic growth. The time is now. We have a short window to capitalize on our nation's great potential, and we need to do it in a sustainable way. Number 2, we must recognize and embrace the accelerated energy transition and desire from global societies to leverage greener and environmentally-friendly source of energy. Gas is expected to play a stronger role in going forward, given of Indonesia is committed to provide highly competitive returns, improve ease of doing business in Indonesia, as well as demonstrate strong collaboration across stakeholders and respective entities, providing a long-term assurance of regulation stability in Indonesia.
We'll be right back with information from the capital market. Stay with us.
Kami ingin memberikan apresiasi kepada seluruh perusahaan-perusahaan yang telah berpartisipasi aktif dalam kegiatan CSR mereka, terutama di tengah COVID-19 yang sedang melanda negeri ini. Kami IDX berterima kasih kepada seluruh perusahaan yang sudah berpartisipasi aktif dalam kegiatan ini.
ngelihat dari sektor UMKM nampaknya sudah mulai terasa ya Pak?
Ya, kalau kita lihat dari indikator kredit ya untuk UMKM, ini memang sudah menunjukkan bahwa ekonomi UMKM mulai bergeliat.
Welcome back on Market Headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,492.74, and then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was on the level of 6,567.96. And then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at level 6,583.82. And in short, Jakarta Composite Index went up 1.17% today. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got industry as the leader of strengthening trend. That went up 3.19%. Energy went up 2.27%. And next, we got property as the leader of weakening, went down 0.46%. And transportation and logistics went down 0.14%. And from the sectoral movement, let's see the top gainers and top losers. Here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Bank Rakyat Indonesia went up 2.94% to the level of 4,200 rupiah per share. Bank Sentral Asia went up 2.74% to the level of 7,500 rupiah per share. Telkom went up 1.96% to the level of 4,160 rupiah per share, and Pigas went up 3.13% to the level of 1,810 rupiah per share. And meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Bukalapak went down 1.96% to the level of 500 rupiah per share. KBIG went down 6.73% to the level of 97 rupiah per share. Merdeka Copper Gold went down 0.54% to the level of 3,690 rupiah per share, and BBYB went down 6.93% to the level of 2,150 rupiah per share. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 14,370. Rupiah was also showing weakening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at level of 14,337. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.2%. Rising coal prices managed to boost the revenue of Adaro Energy. Not only that, the company's net profit also increased significantly to $465.27 million. Rising coal prices managed to boost the revenue of Adaro Energy. The company's net profit also increased significantly. Until the end of September 2021, Adaro recorded an increase in operating income of 31% year-on-year to $2.56 billion from the end of September 2020. The increase in Adaro's operating income in 9 months of this year was supported by an increase in the average selling price of 42% year-on-year due to high coal prices. In this period, operating revenues from coal mining and trading still contributed the most to Adaro's revenue, which was valued at $2.47 billion or grew 35% year-on-year. From January to September 2021, Adaro produced nearly 40 million tons of coal, or down 4% year-on-year, and recorded coal sales of 38.86 million tons, down 5% year-on-year. After deducting expenses and taxes, Adaro recorded a net profit growth of 285.6% year-on-year to $465.27 million. IDX Channel reports. Towards the end of the year, Campina ice cream industry is optimistic that the sales target of 1 trillion rupiah can be achieved. This confidence is due to the performance results for the third quarter of 2021, which recorded an increase in sales reached 761.3 billion rupiah.
Towards the end of the year, Campina ice cream industry is optimistic that the sales target of 1 trillion rupiah can be achieved. According to the President Director of Campina ice cream industry, Samudra Prawirawijaya, this confidence is due to the performance results for the third quarter of 2021, which recorded an increase in sales of 6.85% and reached 761.33 billion rupiah. For information, based on financial reports, the company recorded revenue of 761.33 billion rupiah, up to 6.85% from the third quarter of 2020. This made Campina's net profit tax soar 256.7% to 81.04 billion rupiah at the end of September 2021, whereas in the first 9 months of 2020, Camp's net profit after tax was only 22.82 billion rupiah. Samudra continued, during the pandemic, public consumption of ice cream did increase, especially for home consumption. However, from the distribution channel side, there are obstacles due to the implementations of PPKM. IDX Channel reports.
During the first 9 months of 2021, Indo Oil Perkasa was able to record an increase in sales value to 252.48 billion rupiah from 207.54 billion in the same period in 2020. The increase in the number of sales has pushed the company's net profit to increase to 4.08 billion rupiah compared to the third quarter of 2020, which was 3.01 billion rupiah. As is known, the company listed its initial shares on September 6, 2021. During the IPO, the company offered 150 million shares to the public at an exercise price of 270 rupiah per share. Thus, Oils was able to raise funds through the capital market amounting to 40.5 billion rupiah. According to the President Director of Indo Oil Perkasa, Johan Widakdolim, in an official statement, the increase in the company's net profit for the first 9 months in 2021 was supported by an increase in net sales to 252.48 billion rupiah from 207.54 billion rupiah. Update data about COVID-19 vaccinations in Indonesia. And the news close our market headlines today. Please enjoy our next program on IDX Channel, your trustworthy economic, business, and capital market channel. And viewers, to prevent the spread of COVID-19, always wear a mask and get vaccinated immediately. Masks have been shown to reduce the risk of transmission by 80%, while vaccines minimize the risk of death by 73%. So let's wear masks and get vaccinated, because masks and vaccines keep us healthy and happy. And I'm Fajar Wayong. Have a nice evening and stay safe.